Ah! Nathan! Oh! Nathan! This is why I don't let you drive vehicles.
Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
I'm Abby.
Amelia is with us there. Papa is hanging out at the house. It is so windy today. Look at Abby's hair just whipping around in the wind. And you can hear it, I'm sure.
You missed my haircut, Nathan.
Oh, nice. It's super windy, so you know what that means? RC trucks over RC drones and planes, but I'm just glad to be outside. Did you guys see this in yesterday's speed video? What did you think about that? I like this. It's 1/8 scale, it's 4-wheel drive, it's awesome. And we just saw a cool little spot here that we thought we would start our bashing video here. We've never driven in this little spot before, so we're gonna do that and then head over to our usual spot, see if it can take on the hill climb challenge. And without further ado, let's just cut right to it.
Am I driving?
Yeah. You put the brakes on her. I'll keep an eye on her. See if you can hit this hill. I thought this hill looked pretty cool.
So muddy.
It is a little muddy, but doesn't it look awesome?
The cup really adds to the character.
Yes. Okay, I wouldn't hit that. Ooh, the mud. Yeah. Okay, it made it. It made it. And that's some pretty tall, like dry grass up there, so that's pretty good. Awesome. I do like this truck. Oh, look at that mud. It is just slinging it. Cool.
Wanting to go in the grass. Man, it keeps getting over there and getting stuck.
It's really wet right there, and oh, just slinging the mud. Wow. I gotta give this a shot. This looks like a fun hill because it's just kind of wet and slippery. Oops, I hit that cup. Oh no. Oh no.
Thou who flips it shall fetch it.
Oh, it's so muddy.
And you always wear the worst shoes. Why do you do that? Actually, I have the worst shoes on. Heels. Amelia, your daddy is a nut. He is a nut. Who thinks he's gonna fall? Who wants him to fall? Comment in the description box below. I guess everybody wants to know, what do I want to happen? Fall or no fall? I feel like if he fell on this hill, it would probably hurt him a lot more than the last time. Oh my goodness. You like it up there? That's a good hill. I like this hill. New RC spot. That's exciting, and it's only on the other side of the track. That's cool. It has so much lift in the front. I think Nate's favorite part about this truck is the TheRcSaylors sticker on the front, because he says it looks like it just belongs there. Now I have to film this. Hopefully the battery doesn't die. Everybody wants you to go down right there. What if you just went face first down the hill?
Yeah, I might.
Just do it. Oh, now he's really trying not to fall. Oh my God, he must be scared to fall. He must be scarred for life. He can't get down now. Good job not falling. The camera battery died.
It doesn't look like much of a hill, but when you're
nah,
on the
it's
top
pretty
coming
steep.
Down, it's steep and
You
it's
could
really
see, you could see how far the truck was like tipped up. It's
so
steep.
at the top of the hill, it was awesome. You can just hear the tires like slipping and sloshing through the mud. I want to hit this little ramp of gravel over here.
Okay.
You ready? I mean,
She's ready.
gravel's a pretty hard ramp, so I don't know.
Yeah, into a hill. Smart.
We're gonna go down the hill. Maybe.
Ah!
Oh, no.
Nathan!
Oh, no, that was a lot.
I didn't think you would break it that much. Nice. I think I got that out here in my face.
Look at all that mud and dirt and just awesome.
Goodbye, bumper. There's that water. Oh, goodbye, wheel.
We'll see about that. Oh, that might be the ESC.
What just happened? Did it turn off? That was sad. Did you break it?
Possibly that water.
Oh my gosh. It did not say waterproof anywhere.
No, but I accidentally hit that water.
Oh jeez. This is why I don't let you drive vehicles.
I know.
It might be salvageable if that's the issue. You just have to replace oh my goodness gracious.
That's some water now.
Oh my gosh.
It's not even letting me turn it off.
That's not good. Well, unplug it.
Yeah, I'm going to.
So did you kill it?
Probably.
Get all this grass. Ew. Do you have power?
Nope.
Alright. There's that video.
Well, we know that's not a waterproof truck.
So this video was of Nate getting down a hill.
Ooh.
The baby.
Oh, there we go. Maybe, I know what happened. I know what happened. I think there was a rock. I think there was a rock in the exposed gears. Yeah, so it was binding it. So I did a little reverse and it pumped it back. Okay, I'm just gonna drive it like this for a second just to make sure we're good.
Look how flooded the field is. Jeez. You were gonna take it through the water?
I was gonna take it through this water. I don't think I want to after that little experience.
It's not waterproof. Nothing's waterproof in that. And that's really deep.
It is, but I was hoping I could go so fast that...
I didn't even get that on film.
Oh.
You scared me. You didn't know what you were doing.
I was hoping it would go so fast that it would kind of skim along the water because the bottom of it has that plate.
Oh.
And it would just like skim along it.
Okay, hit your ramp one more time.
Without
Redeem
the body
yourself.
on, and then we'll go to the park.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There's a little water. I like this. Oh, it's
alright, let's just go to the park. No throttle.
No throttle. So bad news. I mean, let's just face the facts here. That was 100% my fault. I did run it into a submerged amount of water. So it doesn't say waterproof on their listing. I wasn't testing that on purpose. It just happened.
Nate and RC trucks.
You know, I've been doing this for 6 years. It never fails.
You break
I break something.
Always. But I do that on planes. So.
I was just going to say I do okay with planes.
But I do that on planes.
Yeah, I mean, if you're watching our videos expecting perfection, just go away because we're not perfect. We break stuff all the time. But the thing is, I've got 2 routes. I am going to take this home, clean it up, dry it off, get all that grass and stuff off of there and take a closer look and see if maybe there's something stuck, maybe it's something stupid. It's kicking its own throttle occasionally right now. So I think that its brain, its ESC for the throttle is messed up. It makes sense that the receivers, it still has power. I'm able to give it steering and it steers. So I think it's definitely the ESC. But I want to just narrow it down, process of elimination, and make 100% sure that's what it is. Again, my fault. We asked you guys in the speed test video to kind of compare this to the Armacentin. I still want to know what you guys think is your favorite, but I can tell you what my favorite is, the Armacentin.
By far.
They're kind of killing it right now, and I'm pulling for them hard because I'd love to see them succeed over some other large companies that shall not be named.
Say their name.
You know, I don't hate this buggy by any means. I'm very disappointed in myself that I let this happen because I do like this. I keep calling it a buggy, it's a short course truck. I like this short course truck. I'd like to put some better tires on it. I'd like to fix that ESC and get it running. We'll see if I actually have time to do that.
Yeah, you probably want to check our eBay store.
You might want to check our eBay store. Someone's going to get a good deal on this when the time comes that I end up listing it. Because a lot of times...
We're full anyways. Our shelves are full for trucks.
Yes,
so.
We've got a lot of cool stuff to put on the channel. We can't wait to show you guys what we have planned in the coming weeks, as long as the weather holds out. You know, this is like 50-degree weather. It's pretty good. Look, no coat or anything.
It's gotten colder though since the speed test we did earlier today.
Yes. A little bit of spit up here and there, but you know, it feels pretty good out. So I don't know. It's a shame that that happened, but that's life. That's the reality of our channel. We don't sugarcoat things. I'm not going to go out and fix this and refilm it and pretend like that never happened. That's not us. That's not who we are. This stuff happens in real life, so it happens on our channel too. Guys, if you like this truck, we'll have a link in the description box below. Maybe they'll drop the price a little bit, and if they do, this is still a very fun, very cool truck. Very cool. I do like it. Just don't take it in water. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye!